Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Coinbase with Coinbase Wallet. This guide will help you gain more control over your digital assets. First, make sure you have both the Coinbase app and the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your mobile device. You should also be signed into both accounts. Having both applications ready is the crucial first step to a smooth connection process. Now, let's link your accounts. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and navigate to the Settings tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Look for an option like Connect to Coinbase or Coinbase link within the Connections section. Tap this option and follow the on-screen instructions to sign into your main Coinbase account and authorize the connection. This process typically takes less than 1 minute. Once connected, transferring crypto is straightforward. Open your main Coinbase app and select Transfer, then choose Send Crypto. Pick the specific cryptocurrency you want to move, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the desired amount. Your connected Coinbase wallet should appear as a destination option. Carefully review all transaction details, including any network fees, before confirming the transfer. It usually takes a few minutes for the assets to appear in your wallet. Connecting your Coinbase wallet offers significant benefits. You gain true self-custody, meaning you control your private keys. This also unlocks access to the vast world of decentralized applications, or DApps, and Web3. You can interact with thousands of different cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens, or NFT. Coinbase Wallet also includes robust security features, such as cloud backup and regular audits, to help keep your digital assets safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.